Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Practices. Hope that you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to create a program using C++, and in today's program we just need to take two input from the users, and we are going to implement that how can we extract the multiplication of two numbers by entering their input. So let's get started, and before starting the video I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel Programming Practices, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Programming Practices. So let's get started. So first we have to open the source file, paste hash include iostream, then hash include conio.h using namespace std int main, then get ch. So now you have to create variables, and it will be in the data type as float number 1, number 2, and multiplication. Now cout, please enter first number and take that number in number 1. Then cout, please enter second number and take that number into number 2. So we have got number 1 and number 2. Now we are going to perform the multiplication is equal to number 1 is multiplied by number 2. Cout multiplication of number 1 and number 2 is what we got in the variable named as multiplication. So it's a very simple scenario that you have to create two variables of data type float, and then you have to take number 1, and here you have to take number 2, number 1, number 2, and then you need to perform the multiplication operation and store the result of number 1 into number 2 in the variable multiplication. And last but not the least, you have to console output that multiplication of number 1 and number 2 is multiplication. Now I am going to press F11. I will run the stuff. So float number 1 can be 77, 8. And now let us give a check that whether we can store the decimal or not. So 88.9 into 7.6, so it will work too, but we have to put a limitation here that user must enter a positive number. So for that purpose, after taking the input, that if number 1 is greater than 0 or greater than -1, number 1 is -1, and number 2 is greater than -1, then we have to perform this operation. And in the else part, you can cout, please enter a positive number. minus 2 the positive numbers. So that's all from today's video. I hope that you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel Programming Criticist, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. Thank you.